Well, brother people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Just some things I want to talk to you about. I'm going to get started right about now. Alright, now, first things first. I got information that a police officer from within the country of Jamaica had been arrested and charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. It is said that on the 28th of October, the year 2022, that's a Friday, a group of men was at a location that some people might call a driving depot that is located in Swallowfield, that's of a Kingston, Jamaica address, even though officially the place is located in the parish of St. Andrew, Jamaica, but real Jamaicans understand how that whole thing go with the whole Kingston and St. Andrew thing, you see? Anyway, so it is said that on Friday, October 28th, a group of men was at that location that is said to be the driving depot, and it is said that those men was seen acting somewhat suspicious, viewers and subscribers, and at the time it is believed that one of those men had a gun on his person, as some people might say. So it is said that at some point police had been notified about the situation. So it is said that in the afternoon on that day, which is the Friday, the 28th of October, the year 2022, lawmen arrived at the location and accosted those men. Now, according to information that I got, viewers and subscribers, it is said that police said that they observed or seen 4 men. You hear me? So it is said that police searched those men, viewers and subscribers, and it is said that a gun was found on one of those persons. So it is said that police removed a gun from the waist of one of those persons, or as some people might say, police remove a gun from a person's person. You hear me? So it is said that at some point the person who the police removed the gun from, that person's waist or the person's person, identified himself as a police officer. So it is said that police escorted the police officer to one of the Jamaica Constabulary Force branch, viewers and subscribers. I did not get any confirmed information as to what happened to those other persons who had been searched by police. And the gun that was taken from the person was examined, and information are somewhat sketchy when it comes on to the examination of the gun, viewers and subscribers. It is said that there was either no serial number on the gun, or there was some form of problem trying to find a serial number on the gun. You hear that, my people? It is also said that it was noticed that there was a magazine in the gun with a certain amount of rounds. But there's more to this whole story than what me I tell you right about now. So listen carefully again. Now, based on a news article that I read, viewers and subscribers, saying, and I want you to listen to me carefully, at least me honestly tell you this, because some people pretend like so them know it. See? No, me I tell you straight. Based on a news article that I read, it is said that further investigation led to the point where police went to the policeman's home and found ammunition and other things as well. So it is said that M16 magazine with a certain amount of rounds, 5.56 cartridges, 9mm cartridges, 12 gauge cartridges, 22 cartridges, and other things have been found at the policeman's home, viewers and subscribers. This is based on a news article that I read. So it is said that a certain amount of things have been seized by the police that was at the police officer's house. And some other things had been seized by the police or kept for safekeeping pending the outcome of investigation or investigations then. You see me, I say, my people? So there is more information to that whole situation, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to move on to another topic. But before I move on to another topic, I want to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you're not new to my channel and have not yet done so, please do so. Because you don't know, Dancehall Skilla will keep you up to date and posted about certain things that are going on. See? Now, I got information that a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force died, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, I got information that a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force died in a motor vehicle accident last night. According to information that I got, it is said that sometime before or after 9 p.m. on Saturday, that would be the 29th of October, the year 2022, the police officer was driving a motor vehicle within the parish of St. Thomas, that's in Jamaica, and other persons was in the motor vehicle as well. And it is said that, or should I say, it is alleged that the police officer was attempting to overtake a motor vehicle with the motor vehicle that he was driving, and somehow lost control and the motor vehicle crashed into a wall. It is said that the police officer and other persons who was in the motor vehicle was injured, and they was taken to hospital and he was pronounced dead. According to more information that I got, it is said that the police officer who died goes by the name of Kemar Nelson. It is said that the incident happened along the Morant Bay Main Road in St. Thomas, Jamaica. Now, I am going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between the soldiers and the civilians within the country of Jamaica. Now, I didn't get any confirmed information as to what started the confrontation, but in my point of view and based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, it seems as if there was some form of disagreement between civilians and soldiers from within the country of Jamaica. Now, in the video, you can hear persons yelling and shouting at those persons who are said to be soldiers. Based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can also let me know what you think. Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Problem charge, you know, look problem dog. You know, look problem for the man them own the dog. You know, look problem for the man them charge it. I'm too charge it. Every time we come and follow man, the man follow on up you. I'm too brother. I'm too charge it. You care about the man, no. You care about the man, no. No, you care about the man, no. Now wait, man. Don't feel like now wait, man. Oh yeah, now wait, man. Now wait, man. What them about? You only can post with that. You're not afraid of that. You're not afraid of that. I range alone the bus that. Range alone the bus that.